Steps of cooking bitter leaf soup. 2 cups wash bitter leaf. 1 kilogram assorted meat beef, cow skin at kpomo, tripe. 1 cup cocoyam paste or thickener of your choice. 1 cup palm oil. 2 tablespoons ground crayfish. 2 seasoning cubes. Salt to taste. 2 tablespoons ground pepper. Stockfish optional. Dry fish optional. Water. Steps. 1. Cook the meat. Wash the meat thoroughly. Season with salt, seasoning cubes, and onions optional. Add water and cook until tender. 2. Add fish. Add stockfish and dry fish to the meat stock. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes. 3. Add palm oil. Pour in the palm oil and allow it to boil for about 5 minutes. 4. Add cocoyam paste. Add the cocoyam paste in small lumps. Let it dissolve completely and thicken the soup. 5. Season the soup. Add ground crayfish, pepper, seasoning cubes, and salt to taste. Stir well and allow to cook for 5 minutes. 6. Add bitter leaf. Stir thoroughly and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. 7. Serve. Remove from heat when the soup is well combined and slightly thick. Serve hot with pounded yam, fufu, ibo semovita, or any swallow of your choice.